just stand there all alone. I cannot explain what's going down. I can see you standing next to me, in and out, somewhere else right now. You sigh and look away. I can see it clear as day. Close your eyes, I'm so afraid. Hide behind that baby face. Do 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 do. You can cry all night, looking for the answers in the pouring rain. Wanna find your peace of mind, looking for the answer. Funny how it seems like yesterday, as I recall, you were looking out of place, gathered up your things and slipped away. No time at all, I followed you into the hall. A cigarette, a daydream. You were only 17, so sweet, the mean scream nearly brought me to my knees. Do 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 do. You can drive all night for the answers in the pouring rain. Wanna find peace of mind, looking for the answer. If we could find a reason to change, looking for the answer. You could find a reason to stay, standing in the pouring rain. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. You can try the answers in the pouring rain. You wanna find peace of mind, looking for the answer. If we could find a reason to change, looking for the answer. You could find a reason to stay, standing in the pouring rain. That's Nick, everybody.
Hey guys, I'm Lily. We're at the Rectus Center Creative Arts Recital. This was Nick Feely's first performance on guitar playing Cigarette Daydreams. So, how do you think it went?
I think it went alright.
You think it went alright? You were awesome.
Yeah.
Were you nervous?
I was like, very nervous, yeah.
You were very nervous? You didn't
Yeah.
seem nervous at all on stage.
I was extremely nervous.
How long have you played guitar?
Like 5 or 6 months?
So, not that long.
Not that long, no.
That was really impressive then. You did a really great job. How long have you been practicing that song?
3 months?
3 months?
Yeah.
It's
3-4 months, yeah.
3-4 months? Is the kind of music you usually play on guitar then? What do you like to play?
I don't know. I like to play like a variety. Like I'm not that experienced yet, so. But I like a big variety of music. So.
Did you choose Cigarette Daydreams?
Yes.
Yeah, I like that song. It's a good song. Yeah. All right. Well, great job. High five. Do you have any other plans for your guitar playing skills?
Get better.
Get better. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's a great thing. Progress is good. All right. Thank you. Great job. Follow me back over here.